Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. In recent years, AI technology has revolutionized the educational landscape by offering unprecedented opportunities to streamline teaching processes. The ability to generate automatic, error-free lesson plans and presentations has significantly eased the burden on educators, allowing them to focus more on delivering impactful instruction. Today I'm thrilled to announce the most advanced AI-based learning platform of 2024 designed to empower teachers and save valuable planning time. So you can see here on the screen. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. So you can log in with your Google account. I'm going to click here, sign with Google, and I'm signing with the Teaching Partner account. So once you log in, you can reach on this platform where you can see here on your left side there is a classroom, teacher, students group. It's very user friendly. You can easily work on this platform. You just need to click on new classroom first and you can name your classroom. For example, I'm giving the classroom name is partners and I'm going to select the grade. Let's say it's grade 12. Select the subject. Let's say select the subject science. Now I'm going to create my new lesson. My classroom, you can see here is partner. I need to click on new lesson and you can describe the lesson with the few words. So AI will help you to generate the complete lesson. Let me write down some famous topic. Let's say photosynthesis. So your lesson will be aligned with the skills or standard automatically. Create a lesson plan based on assignment. So just click on the magic stick which is generate lesson. The AI engine is working. So here you can see a very amazing lesson plan has been generated, where on the right side there's a preview of objective, introduction, application, independent practice and differentiation. This is the best part in this website, that they give you differentiated activities clearly. So you can also add skill and standard. You can also give assignments, resources. You can add more notes and you can give even enrichment. So enrichment, you can see here, you can create automatic presentation by using AI. You can edit the image editor is there. You can generate a rubric very quickly. You can suggest a project-based learning activity and you can play a fun game here. I don't want to make this video very long, so I'm not going to try all of the things. Let's try a rubric. So I'm going to generate the rubric. Let's see. So you can see here the rubric has been generated. And it's amazing. It's like MS Word or Google Doc. It's according to your grade level and according to the requirement. You can add some notes as well. Also Bloom's taxonomy, exit ticket, choice board, fun facts. This is really amazing. So you can see here on the screen, it's completely free for students and parents. So you can add up to 50 students on free account, 25 AI credits you can use. Try, it's very user friendly and you have 24-hour support available. Here you can write your message if you have any confusion question. I tried all the options. It's really working amazingly. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.